from Jackson County Library, and for Curious Kids today, we are going to do snow volcanoes. What you need is vinegar, baking soda, cup, snow, and food coloring. This is my vinegar and my food coloring mixed together, okay? And we're waiting on about a foot of snow to hit us today. So with what little bit of snow we have, we're going to go ahead and pile it up like this, and then we're going to put our hands down the middle for our cup. Then we're going to put our cup right in the middle, put our snow around it, and then we're going to take our baking soda. I put it in a bag because when you wear gloves, it's hard to get it out. And we're going to hope it erupts. Maybe I need to take my gloves off to get it out. Pour it in there. All right. And then I used mauve food coloring in my vinegar. Let me put my gloves back on because I'm getting kind of cold. And see what colors, see if it erupts, see what happens. There it goes. It's melting it. If you want, look at how it goes down the valleys. You can take your finger and move it. Maybe pack some more around and see if we can get some to come out this way and see if it goes down. There it goes. It erupted. Yay! Have fun out in the snow. Be careful. Listen to your parents. And just have all kinds of fun with it. It's been a long time since we've had snow like this, so be careful. Again, it's Cindy from Jackson County Public Library, Curious Kids, and we made a snow volcano. You guys have fun. Thanks.